how to get referral code in Viewpoint app. So this is possible, but not everyone does get this, since the referral option usually appears only if your account is eligible or if there is an active referral program. So first of all, if you want to get these kinds of information or news to get, let's say, available programs, make sure the notification settings is toggled on, since this is how they will notify you about programs or rewards and your account, which does include the referral program. So make sure you toggle in this SMS so they can send it there, or the email option, so toggle both of those on. And of course, make sure your contact info is verified and, let's say, confirmed, so that you will be able to get these program news or information. So let's say you do get a referral email or that kind of program, so you gotta keep in mind, so to be eligible for a referral bonus, your referred friends must be new, they must be verified by Viewpoints themselves, must complete 2 tasks in a program that they'll be invited to participate in, and live in the same country as you. And you will get 5 unique referral codes, and you can only send 1 referral code per friend. And all of this, you should be able to get it by opening up a currently available program that is sent specifically to you, since again, it does go with availability in your specific account. And last of all, if your account is eligible, you should be able to find it here as well. So it's all gonna depend on what country you're in, or if your account is eligible or verified to get this referral code. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.